Why people instantly notice some people and ignore others. Have you ever walked into a room and felt completely invisible? Like everyone else just knows how to connect, how to draw people in while you're standing there, stuck on the sidelines? Here's the truth nobody tells you. The people who seem effortlessly magnetic weren't born that way. They're using subtle psychological cues, 5 of them, that make others want to approach them first. But here's the twist. The most powerful one is something you're probably doing wrong right now. And when you fix it, everything changes. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why you felt invisible and how to make people notice, approach, and connect with you without ever faking confidence or forcing small talk. The final technique is the real game changer. So stay till the end. I used to do everything wrong. I'd sit at cafes pretending to scroll, hoping someone would notice me. They never did. At parties, I'd hover in corners waiting for someone to talk first. They didn't. It was what I was doing in the first 3 seconds. Here's what I learned. People decide whether to engage with you almost instantly within 3 seconds of seeing you. Most people walk in with their head down, eyes on their phone, trying to look casual or humble. But all they're really signaling is, don't talk to me. Magnetic people do the opposite. They walk in with their head level, not cocky, just calm. They scan the room like they belong there. And when they make brief eye contact paired with a small, relaxed smile, something clicks. They've opened a door. They've silently said, I see you, I'm friendly. That's what I tested one day in a bookstore. Instead of hiding behind shelves, I looked up, made quick eye contact, smiled. 10 minutes later, someone asked me about the book I was holding. That had never happened before. The difference? I stopped being invisible on purpose. But here's what nobody warned me about. Even if you nail the entrance, your body might still be pushing people away. Body language. At a workshop, the instructor had me stand in front of everyone, hands in pockets, shoulders slouched. Then he asked the group, what vibe does he give off? The answers? Closed off. Nervous. Don't talk to him. It hit me. My body was telling a story I didn't mean to tell. He told me, take your hands out. Relax. Shoulders back, not stiff, just open. The difference was instant. The group said I looked confident, approachable. Here's what I learned. Your body talks before your mouth does. Crossed arms say, back off. Phone in hand says, busy. Tension says, unsafe. But when your body is open and grounded, people feel safe around you. And safe people get approached. The curiosity secret. But what happens once someone actually talks to you? That's where most people lose it without even realizing. The secret isn't being funny, smart, or impressive. It's being curious. When someone speaks, don't plan your next line. Listen, really listen. Ask questions that go deeper. Not what do you do, but what got you into that? Or what's been the hardest part? When I did this at a networking event, the guy I spoke to said, finally, someone who actually gets it. We talked for an hour. People don't remember what you said. They remember how you made them feel. Curiosity creates connection instantly. But there's one more trick that feels unnatural at first, and it's the one most people avoid. Silence. The power of silence. I used to fill every gap with nervous chatter. But magnetic people are comfortable with pauses. They don't panic when it's quiet. They own the silence. When you're calm in silence, people sense it, they relax around you. I once tested this in a library. I just sat there reading quietly, smiling slightly. Within minutes, someone leaned over. Hey, is that book good? I didn't do anything. I was just present. That's the paradox. The less you chase attention, the more attention you attract. But none of these matter if you miss the final piece. The mindset that makes all the others work. The ultimate technique. Stop waiting for people to validate you. Most people walk into a room hoping to be chosen. Magnetic people walk in assuming they already belong. They don't need approval. They don't chase attention. They radiate the quiet energy of someone who's fine with or without it. And that's what makes people curious. The moment you stop trying to prove your worth, you start projecting it. The moment you stop chasing attention, you start attracting it. So the next time you walk into a room, say this to yourself. I'm not here to impress anyone. I'm here to be present, to connect if it happens naturally. And that's enough. Because when you stop waiting to be noticed, that's when everyone starts noticing you.